Hello, this is Nate from Wright-Way Trailers. At Wright-Way, we value our customers and want to help in any way possible when it comes to your trailer. Many of you rely on your trailer to haul your toys, animals, or for work. We want to be your resource for all things involving your trailer. To help with that, we will be releasing a set of videos to help you better understand what your trailer may need in the way of service. One area to think about is preparing your trailer for winter. Our team of professionals in our service department take pride in their work. Everyone here at Wright-Way Trailers wants you to have a stress-free and enjoyable trailer ownership experience. The best way we can do that is to help you with preventative maintenance. The best time to do that maintenance is right now, in the winter. This is when our service department is less busy and able to get you in and out quickly. The best way to start is with a trailer inspection. This allows us to just look at all the systems of the trailer to determine what may need attention. This includes axles, brakes, tires, bearings, lighting, hydraulics, just to name a few. Boats this time of year especially need service. Because of the many times throughout the year that they are submerged in water, now is the time to make sure that water hasn't made it into areas that could be damaged if frozen. For businesses, this too is a good time to do your annual DOT inspections. Our professional service department will make sure your trailer is in work-ready condition, so as soon as the weather allows, you can get back to work. Please be on the lookout for our future videos that go into more detail about what to look for and what we do to fix the different parts of your trailer. If you know your trailer needs service now, or you know that it has been a very long time since your last service, please reach out to us today and get it scheduled. And happy trailering from Wright-Way Trailers.